Researchers in the U.S. gave the first shots in a test of an experimental coronavirus vaccine on Monday. Scientists in Seattle provided the injections to 4 healthy volunteers. This was developed in record time after the new virus caused a pandemic.
I'm feeling great. The actual vaccination itself felt much like a flu shot. Didn't hurt much. It's very easy.
The number of coronavirus cases in Spain has risen to more than 11,000. That's 2,000 more cases than there were in the country on Monday. More than 500 people have died from COVID-19 in Spain. The country went into lockdown over the weekend in an attempt to slow down the spread of the disease. The 2020 European Championship has been postponed for an entire year because of the coronavirus outbreak. The decision by UEFA puts a halt to their premier tournament showcase that was scheduled to take place across Europe in June and July. This marks the first time in the competition's history that the final stages have been delayed. Thousands of student doctors in Italy will be skipping final exams and thrown into the working world to help with the growing cases of coronavirus in the country. They'll be sent to clinics and seniors' homes, freeing up more experienced people to go to hospitals. Italy is the worst affected country outside of China, with more than 25,000 cases so far. With much of the world in self-isolation, Amazon has now seen a surge in online orders, and they're now looking to hire 100,000 warehouse and delivery workers to keep up with the demand. Amazon said it will add $2 to its minimum wage of $15 per hour to U.S. employees through April. Coronavirus is continuing to take its toll on the stock market. So much now that investors are considering some of the worst possible outcomes, like an economic depression.
People are sort of basically understanding that the global economic implications of theme parks closing, casinos closing, airports are empty, streets are empty. If cities are sort of ghost towns, this is going to affect the consumer. It's going to affect every industry down the line.
The stock market on Tuesday was able to get back some of its losses after Monday's plunge, which was its worst day since the Black Monday crash and third worst day in market history.
Thanks for watching Global News. If you want to stay up to date on the latest breaking national and international news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.